Question 2. A student went for a run. After the run, he measured his skin temperature and his core temperature. The core temperature is the temperature of the blood reaching the brain. While he was measuring these temperatures, he ate an ice cream. Figure 1 shows his measurements. So we can see the figure 1 on the right with the core temperature and the skin temperature and how it changes over that time period. I suppose what's key there is this idea that the ice cream eaten is causing a very obvious initial change to both the temperatures. Okay, let's look at the question parts now. So for part A, which temperature shown on the graph is usually described as normal core body temperature? Tick 1 box. So normal core body temperature is considered to be 37 degrees Celsius, so it is that one there. That scores us the 1 mark available for this question. Part B, eating an ice cream causes a decrease in the student's core temperature. Part 1, where in the body is a decrease in the core temperature detected? So here, this is a recall question. It is actually the brain. So it's the brain where the core temperature is detected. There's thermoreceptors in the brain that detect the temperature of the blood. Part 2, calculate the size of the decrease in core temperature caused by eating the ice cream. Okay, so we're basically just reading values off the graph here. So what we can see is the core temperature decreases from a value of 37.2 here, all the way down to a value of 36.92 here. Therefore, the size of the decrease is 37.20 in this case, take away 36.92. That then gives us an answer of 0.28 degrees Celsius. We can see degrees Celsius is given there in the answer, so we don't need to write that as a separate unit. We get 1 mark here for the calculation, the working, and then 1 mark for our final answer. Part 3. The decrease in core temperature leads to an increase in skin temperature. Explain this increase. Use ideas about sweating in your answer. So, we're being guided to this idea that we need to talk about sweating on our answer. So, a decrease in core temperature causes a decrease in sweating. That gets us 1 mark there. So this idea, isn't it, that if our core temperature is going down, we don't need to lose heat, therefore we will sweat less. Therefore, less heat is lost from the skin. That's the 2nd mark for this answer. Those 2 points give us the 2 marks available for this question.